climb inside the 2012 Honda Odyssey. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.